In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a discount on Hostinger. If you're looking to bring your idea online with a website, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you get the best deal possible. First, we begin by heading over to the Hostinger website. You can open your browser and type in Hostinger or just go directly to their homepage. As you land on the page, you'll be greeted with various options designed to help you explore hosting services that fit your unique needs. Next, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you already have an account, just sign in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Hostinger, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile and you'll be ready to move on. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Hostinger control panel. This user-friendly interface is your one-stop hub for managing your hosting services. Browse around a bit if you're curious, but ultimately our focus today is on how to secure a discount. So let's proceed by finding the Explore Plans section. This is where you'll find different hosting plans tailored to meet various needs and budgets. After clicking on Explore Plans, several options will appear. Take your time to review what's available. Whether you're looking for shared hosting, VPS, or perhaps cloud hosting, find a plan that fits your needs and click on Select to proceed. Now here's where the magic happens. On the purchase page there should be a section for a coupon code. This is your golden ticket to a discount. In the provided field, enter the coupon code BuildSite15, apply it, and watch as the price updates with your special discount, instantly saving you money on your purchase. And that's all there is to it. With your discount applied, you can now complete your purchase with confidence, knowing you've snagged a great deal. Double check everything to ensure it's correct before proceeding with the checkout process. In summary, by following these easy steps, you're not only securing a valuable hosting service, but also doing so with a savvy discount. Dive into the world of website creation with Hostinger and start bringing your ideas to life today, all while staying budget friendly. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.